Hey, what's happening, guys? John here, and we're out here on one of these large commercial contracts, and I wanted to make a quick clip for you guys and kind of share with you my thoughts on what it takes to get into these large commercial contracts. Because, you know, look at this bad boy. This is going to be a Hampton Inn and also a Hilton Garden Inn. We're going to do all the construction cleanup work, also the window cleaning. We're going to do the interior cleaning. We're going to do the garage cleaning. Okay, it's going to be a very, very large contract, and it's just as easy to get into one of these as it is to get into a residential deal. Now, I'm saying that right now, and you're probably thinking to yourself, like, what? Like, it's just as easy to get into one of these as, you know, a $100 residential deal or whatever, right? Well, it's the truth, man. You can get into one of these contracts the same as you can get into a $200 cleaning, okay? If you go pressure wash a house for $200, or you go to, you know, window clean a $150 house, but it's going to take you, 10 of those in one day to do what you're going to be doing over here, right? And this thing spits you out cash flow every single month because you're on the project every single month and you're doing work for them, and you're trying to release the building over so they can have occupancy and they can start leasing this bad boy out, okay? So why should you do large commercial contracts? Well, you should do large commercial contracts because, like I just said, it's a bigger ticket and you will be able to spit out cash flow every single month and just put a few guys out here on the site so they can take care of the project, right? Have some loyal guys and put a foreman on here, and then it's good to go. Well, it's giving you enough money every single month for you to be able to handle the project. So why wouldn't you put 3 guys out here to handle the project, right? Now, obviously, easier said than done. If anyone said anything's gonna be easy, they're lying to you. But I know exactly how to manage a site like this. I know exactly how to get into a site like this. And I wanna show you how we can get into sites like this. I wanna show you how you can get into sites like this. How you can lock up these projects for, 80 to 100 grand and just get the cash flow from it every single month for the next 4 or 5 months, and then just go find another project and keep doubling up. If you're still doing small deals, I want you to look into this, man. I want you to do large construction cleanup, or post-construction cleanup, or window cleaning, or pressure washing, or interior cleaning, or or the window cleaning, right? You're gonna do all contract cleaning related stuff, okay? That's kind of what changed my life, guys, is getting into these big buildings and doing what I do best, which is I'm able to do cleanup work. And so why cleanup work though? Okay, you might be thinking to yourself like, well, fuck, I wanna be a framer, I wanna do this, I wanna do that. Well, what you gotta realize, man, is everybody's been doing framing for the last 100 years. You got contractors that have been in the framing business for the last 100 years. You got guys that have been doing plaster work for the last 100 years. Do you really wanna go compete where everybody's at? You wanna compete where the water's bloody, okay? Well, if you want to know how to get into this niche that can potentially make you a bunch of money, go ahead, click the link up here. I think it's over here or here, I'm not sure, but go ahead and click it, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I get into these big contracts, okay? I think I even got a free video that I can offer you right now as well. So it's a free training on exactly how to do that. Anyways, I hope this helps. I hope this brings you some value, and I hope you enjoyed this video.